some concepts based on heat and temperature. We have already discussed about conversion of temperature scales. So if you haven't watched that video, go back, check my playlist and watch those videos. So what do you mean by heat? Heat is a form of energy. And what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is the unit to measure heat. Students, here you can see ice and fire. Ice gives us cool sensation, whereas fire gives us hot sensation. Correct? Why these sensations are varying from each other? Because when we put ice over our palm, it utilizes energy from our palm, got it, and just escape it out. So it take out whole energy from our palm, so our palm feel cool. But this vice versa happens in fire. In fire, when we put our hand near it, then it provide lots and lots of heat, means additional heat. So already heat is in our palm and additional heat is there, so it get a feeling of hotness. Okay, of course, in when we feel hot, like during summer seasons, what we have fan, we have ice cream, we have thandai, we have shakes and many more things. But what about cold? What about winters? We just cover ourselves so tightly in the blankets and have some hot things like coffee, like cappuccino, like these type of things. Got it? So if a body is hot or cold, how do we feel it? By seeing or by hearing? No, we feel it by touching, because through touching we get sensation of either the object is hot, either the object is cold. The temperature of an object means it is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. What do you mean by thermometer? Have you ever watched it? Thermometer? Yes, thermometer is a device that can be used to find out how hot an object is. In other words, we use a thermometer to measure the temperature of an object. So now, measuring the temperature of an object using a thermometer. At first, look at this picture. Like this picture is, we have kink here. Kink means this starting where mercury is filled, got it, and this graduated scale. This graduated scale is what it helps in showing that how much temperature you are having, got it. Okay, so it is a device that is used to measure the body temperature of a person. It is made up of glass tube of uniform thickness, like it is not a place thin, a place thick, no, it is uniformly thick. The glass tube contain a bulb at one end which is filled with mercury. This is bulb here, this is bulb which is filled with mercury. The mercury level in thermometer rises up in the thread-like portion of the thermometer, which therefore indicates the temperature of body. Got it? This thermometer is given in Celsius scale, but we use the thermometer in Fahrenheit scale. Now you have to convert 37 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, and do not forget to comment your answer. So the level of mercury can be measured by reading the scale given on the thermometer. If look at this, here the temperature rises up to 36.5, means 36.5. So the mercury level rises up, just because of heat the mercury level rises up, and we got to know that how many temperature our body is having. The scale of thermometer records the temperature in degrees Celsius, generally 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, which is the range of human body temperature. And What about this average? Our average body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. The thermometer is having a kink, like here the kink is present. This prevents mercury level from falling down on its own in the thermometer. आपने देखा होगा थर्मोमीटर को जब डॉक्टर लगाता है आपके माउथ में, उसके बाद क्या करता है, उसको वो ऐसे झटके से क्या करता है, डाउन करता है. किसको? मर्क्यूरी के लेवल को. बिकॉज बेटा मर्क्यूरी का लेवल ईजिली नहीं डाउन होता. अगर वो ईजिली डाउन हो जाएगा, जैसे आपने माउथ में से निकाला, ठीक है, अब वो डाउन हो गया, तो आपको एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर पता कैसे चलेगा? दैट्स वाई किंक इज प्रेजेंट देयर. गॉट इट? हाउ टू यूज अ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू वॉश इट विद एंटीसेप्टिक सॉल्यूशन. बिकॉज आप एक ही थर्मोमीटर है, वो सारे पेशेंट्स को यूज़ हो रहा है, तो अभी हमको क्या करना है, उसको स्टेरिलाइज करना है. ठीक है. बिफोर टेकिंग द टेम्परेचर द थर्मोमीटर इज गिवन अ फ्यू जर्क्स टू ब्रिंग डाउन द लेवल ऑफ मर्क्यूरी बिलो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब हमको बिकॉज थर्मोमीटर क्या है, एक रूम टेम्परेचर पे है, मे बी वो थोड़ा सा राइजन अप हो गया. ठीक है. तो अब हमको क्या कर देना है, उसको एक जर्क देना है. जब हमको जर्क देना है, ऐसा नहीं कि फेंक देना है, नो, जस्ट अ जर्क एंड देन वी हैव टू चेक कि उस थर्मोमीटर में क्या वो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक आ गया है. देन द थर्मोमीटर इज प्लेस्ड बीनीथ द टंग for about a minute. Then you can take it out and observe the temperature reading of the thermometer. Look at this: mercury, bulb, capillary tube, and these are stems. Got it? As such, this is not a clinical thermometer. I just wanna show you that what are the parts of this thermometer. What precautions should be taken while using a clinical thermometer? At first we have to wash it. Why? Because maybe some other patient having oral infection, and if you use the same, maybe you will get infected also. Then what we have to make sure that 35 degree Celsius temperature, and keep the thermometer straight in order to see mercury level precisely, like not like this. We have to just in front of our eyes, we have to put in front of our eyes. It should always be held with care or it can be broken down. अगर आप उसको अच्छे से नहीं रखेंगे तो वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा. यू शुड नॉट टच द बल्ब ऑफ द थर्मोमीटर एट ऑल. एंड अगर कभी आपसे थर्मोमीटर, क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर टूट जाता है तो प्लीज़ उसकी मर्क्यूरी को मत छूइएगा. रीज़न इज़ कि उसकी जो मर्क्यूरी होती है विच इज़ एक्चुअली लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर, ठीक है, it is very poisonous. So now we will talk about laboratory thermometer. Laboratory में look, हमारे बॉडी का टेम्परेचर 35 to 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस गया, ओके फाइन. बट व्हाट अबाउट अदर सब्सटेंसेस? क्या उनका टेम्परेचर भी 35 to 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही जाएगा? व्हाट अबाउट कोल्ड वाटर? कोल्ड वाटर का टेम्परेचर लाइक यू कैन से 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो क्या हम उसको क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर से मेजर कर पाएंगे? नो. अ लैबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर इज मेड अप ऑफ अ ग्लास ट्यूब. इट हैज़ अ ग्लास वर्क विद मर्क्यूरी विच on gaining heat rises in the glass capillary of the tube. But one thing is missing here. What? Kink. The range of temperature of laboratory thermometer can measure in between -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Write it down. The basic difference you have to write it down between laboratory and clinical. This is your homework. So what we have to do, what precautions we have to take? First, handle it with care. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while taking a reading, and the thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. Like it should be placed directly like this, not like this. Got it? The bulb should not be touched the surface of the container. Make sure you have to fix it before the surface of container. Removing the thermometer from a boiling water bath and immediately immersing it in an ice bath may cause the thermometer to break. एक करिएगा नहीं प्लीज़, इट्स माई रिक्वेस्ट. नहीं तो मम्मी क्या करिए कि फ्रिज में एक ग्लास का टम्बलर रख दीजिए, ठीक है, एंड उसके बाद जब वो एकदम ठंडा हो जाए, एकदम ठंडा हो जाए, लाइक ओवरनाइट रख दिया आपने, बाहर निकाल के उसमें गरम गरम पानी डाल दिया, वो ग्लास टम्बलर ना चकनाचूर हो जाएगा। रीज़न कि आप अचानक से उसको कोल्डनेस से क्या दे रहे हो, हॉटनेस दे रहे हो, ठीक है। वन लाइक नाउ अ डेज वी आर लाइक so freak about digital thermometer. So why this thermometer is so easy to use? This is so easy to use because it is very handy. Mercury filled thermometer when breaks, the mercury fall out, which is actually very poisonous. However, nowadays digital thermometer are available to use. This type of thermometer does not contain mercury. It directly displays the correct temperature on the display screen. Look, this is the display screen showing 37 degrees Celsius. So here only like no mercury is there, no mercury level is there, no kink is there. So what actually happened, this just show your body temperature. One more thermometer is the alcohol thermometer. So do you think this thermometer is used to measure the temperature of alcohol? No beta. In this thermometer, in this bulb where mercury was filled in clinical thermometer, here alcohol is filled. Like this is an alternative of mercury in the glass thermometer. Like both have the same function. The reason is when it get like break down, when it get broken down, then the alcohol evaporate. Got it? But mercury cause hazard to us and to our environment also. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and to hit that bell icon. Thank you and have a great day.